So when you record your videos using Windows, okay, Windows has a default Windows, like, you just have to, in my computer, just do print. Then I record. Let me try to do print. Okay, then I click on record. So the question is, where does it actually save these recordings? Okay, so after you kind of recording whatever you're recording, and then you kind of stop, okay, so Windows kind of saves your videos in, okay, let's go. So you go to your computer videos and you go to screen recordings. So this is where actually you find your recordings that you have made when you do a recording using the default Windows recording option. Okay. Yep. Thank you and bye-bye.